25-year-old Tim invested $2,000 in an IRA each year for 10 years, earning 4% compounded annually. At the end of 10 years, he ceased the IRA payments, but continued to invest the accumulated amount at 5% compounded annually for the next 30 years. Twin brother Tom waited 15 years to start his IRA investment. He then invested $2,000 per year for 25 years at 5% compounded annually. Which brother has more money when they reach the age of 65? So we have two brothers, Tim and Tom. Now, Tim's situation is actually a two-part scenario. So let's look at Tim first. So he's investing $2,000 every year. So $2,000 for the payment. He's starting with nothing. The interest rate is 4%. It's compounded annually. And the time frame is 10 years. So the future value of this is $24,012.21. So the second part of Tim's situation is that at the end of 10 years, he ceased the IRA payments but continued to invest the accumulated amount at 5% compounded annually for the next 30 years. So he's moving that money into a new account. So that is our new starting point. The interest rate is 5%. He's not making any payments, so that's going to be 0. This is compounded annually, so it's 1. And this is for the next 30 years, so n is 30 times 1. So we are looking for the future value. And if we calculate that, then we get $103,779.39. Now, we don't have a third box here, so I'm going to label the information . So, twin brother Tom waited 15 years to start his IRA investment. He then invested $2,000 per year for 25 years at 5% compounded annually. So $2,000 per year. The present value is going to be 0. The interest rate is 5%. P by CY is 1 because it's compounded annually. And this is for 25 years, so n is 25 times 1. So the future value is going to be $95,454.20. So which brother has more money when they reach the age of 65? That would be Tim.